I would say, at least in terms of Yiddish, okay, that I would love for young Jews. Realistically, they're not necessarily going to learn the language. I understand that, obviously, but to get in touch with that world, I think many Jewish values were came out of that Yiddishkeit in Eastern Europe. It's important for them, I think, to know a little bit about that world, in the values of that world, their great grandparents or great great grandparents, whatever it may be, and how that knowledge, those values and experiences might inform their own lives here in the United States today. It may not seem directly relevant. I think it is, in terms of fighting for fairness and social equality and things that I consider to be sort of Jewish values, really, in many ways, and identifying with the oppressed and so forth. And I think I mean, they may have that anyway, those values, a lot of those people. But I think understanding how that there's a continuum, even though it was greatly interrupted clearly by the Holocaust. Okay, there's a continuum from that past into the present, and that you should try to make to know something about that.